interesting day, actually. For me, I think the highlight was the Dr. Tim that came in just talking about phonics, really gave me some good ideas about what I need to do to engage parents, which is going to be, I think, something that we were already working on, so something that's going to be really practical for us when we get back. I think the vocabulary side of it is something that I'm going to look into bringing into our school. So we did some work today just analysing words and how we can use that in lessons. And for our upper key stage 2 children who have quite poor vocabulary, I think that's going to be really useful. I think the biggest benefit I can see so far is this kind of environment of having other teachers, particularly from secondary as well as primary, talking together about how we can support English. I've just got some really good ideas from secondary teachers that I never thought I would have got from secondary teachers. That's quite good.
I really enjoyed the expertise of the speaker, Dr. Tim Mills. I thought that was really interesting, and I learned a lot there about the history and science around the subject we were studying, literacy. Michelle's sessions where, as teachers, she brought us together and we were sharing a lot of new ideas that, new to me from some of the others, and experiences. And I found there was a really good buzz, a lot of energy, and it was a really good session. There were things there that answered some questions about how I do certain things in the classroom, and I now have some ideas from some of my peers and colleagues that I can try out myself. I think as teachers, we're sort of working in bubbles sometimes. You know, it's us and however many students we're with, and we don't always have the opportunities to come together and share these ideas. So there are definitely quite a few ideas that I picked up on the day that I'm going to incorporate, and also in terms of the research approach that I've incorporated myself from the information that I've got some further things to investigate that I can bring into my teaching as well. Based on my experience, I would say it's an opportunity to come together with experts and with peers and learn and develop in a range of different areas depending on your subject or your areas of professional development interest. And I think it's relevant across all areas of teaching, to be honest.
Scan this QR code if you would like to join the Fortis, Medway and Kent Primary Hub.